Hello, welcome to Mr. Paul's Pantry. I'm Mr. Paul, and my recipe today is for an orange cake. It's an orange cake with a difference. First of all, it's got no flour, so it makes it gluten-free. It's all made in the food processor, and it's a very slack batter, very runny batter. But the first thing we have to do, we need an orange. I've got this nice large orange, and it has to be cooked first for nearly 2 hours. Put it in a pan, a deep pan, covered with water, bring it to the boil, then turn it down to simmer and put a lid on and leave it for about 3/4 of an hour or 1 3/4 hours to 2 hours. Don't touch it, turn it off the heat and then let it cool in the water. So I've done mine for the recipe today. I did one yesterday. So I'll carry on from there. We'll go to the ingredients. Right, here we are. These are the ingredients we're going to use for this orange cake. I have one large orange, as you can see, 150 grams of sugar, 150 grams of ground almonds, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoonful of baking powder, and 4 eggs. Don't worry about writing them down at the moment because I have listed them underneath the video. Okay, let's make the cake. Now this is the orange that I cooked yesterday. And you can see I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's nice and soft. And what we need to do here is to, first of all, where the stalk is, pull that out and you'll see a little bit of pith come out like that. Take that out, turn it over and do the same thing at the other side. And there it is. Can you see that on the camera? Now, we need to open it up and I'm going to take out any seeds that I can see. And as this is a navel orange, that's a Moroccan orange, there are no seeds in it, but take them out at this stage. Next, we're going to put that into the food processor. Now in we go with the orange into the food processor. Just break it up into a couple of pieces. It's very soft. Everything goes in, skin and the whole lot. And we're just going to give that a little whiz. Just do. Excuse the noise. Now we're going to add to that the sugar. And the ground almonds. I'm going to give that another little whiz. Now I'm going to add to that the half a teaspoon of cannella, which is cinnamon, if you don't know, sorry, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Give that a little whiz. And next we're going to add the eggs, adding the eggs one at a time. I'll add them to there. One at a time. Now we're going to put this mixture into a greased springform tin. I always use a springform because it's very easy to remove the cake afterwards. That opens up and the bottom comes out. Okay, I've buttered all inside the tin, and I've put a little bit of greaseproof in the bottom, parchment in the bottom, just to prevent it sticking, because this is not a non-stick tin. So we're going to take the batter and we're going to pour that straight into the tin. There we go. And that goes straight into the oven now at 170 degrees for about 40-45 minutes, probably an hour, depending on your oven. But I should look at it and test it after about 45 minutes. I'll see you later. So here it is, the finished cake. I've got to just allow it to cool now. You'll see it's leaving the sides of the tin. Can you see that? That means it's ready. I've tested it with a skewer. It's coming out nice and clean. One thing I did forget to tell you when we put it in the oven, halfway through cooking, I usually put a piece of foil over the top just to stop the top getting too brown. But that's just me, because that's my oven. You try it and see whether you need to do that or not. I'll let it cool down and then we'll have a taste. It's had a few minutes now to cool down. I'm just going to take the tin off. That's the beauty of a springform tin, see? And there we have it. It's a beautiful orange cake. As soon as it's cooled down properly, I'll be back for a taste test. So here we are. We're going to have a taste test. I've just left it on the base of the springform tin. It's a nice light cake. There we are. Beautiful, nice, light sponge. Absolutely delicious. If you've enjoyed this video, go down underneath and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, press the subscribe button and the little bell icon at the side. If you click that, you'll be informed every time I put up a new video. Also, any comments, leave those below the video as well. This is Mr. Paul saying bye for now, and I'll see you next time.